Students of class 6, we are continuing with exercise 16 sums. This is sum number 14. Now why I have chose 14? Because we have done sum number 7, and after that in 14 sum you can see that there is a bar bracket. So only the bar bracketed sums we will do. So first you have to solve this bar bracket. So whatever is given, you write it. And in the first step you can do one more thing. The mixed fractions that are given, you can convert them into improper fractions. So here 1 3/4 is given, mixed fraction, convert into improper. 1 4s are 4 plus 3 7/4 minus 1 1/2, so convert it 3/2. There are no more mixed fractions. So first step, convert the mixed fraction if it is given in the sum. Next step, we have to solve the bar bracket. Now see, bar is in front of which number? Only above 3/8 plus 1/4. So we will solve only this portion. By 8 plus 1/4. What will be the LCM? Find it out. 4 and 8. 2 2s are 4. 4s are 8. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. Now you compare the denominators. 8 into how much gives you 8? 1. That 1 you will multiply with the numerator. 3 1s are 3. Plus 4 into how much gives you the denominator? 2. That 2 you will multiply with numerator 1. So 2 1s are 2. So it gives you 5/8. So instead of writing the bar bracket, we have already solved. We will not write the answer, but we will write the result 5/8. Put the first bracket, second and third. Now next part we will solve the first bracket. So 3/2 minus 5/8. Here also find the LCM of 2 and 8. So here also 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. Now you compare the denominators. 2 into how much gives you 8? 4. That 4 when multiplied to the numerator 3, 12. Minus 8, 1s are 8. 1 you multiply with 5. How much is left? 7/8. So this is the result of the first bracket. So we will not put the first bracket because we have already solved this number. So the result is 7/8. Now you will only put the second bracket. Close the second bracket. No need to close this first bracket because we have solved. Now next is solving the second bracket. Second bracket, 7/4 minus 7/8. The LCM of 4 and 8 we have already found out. It was 8. 4 into how much gives you 8? 2. That 2 you multiply with 7. It gives you 7/4 minus 7/8. The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. 4 2s are 8, that 2 you multiply with 7 minus 8 1s are 8, 1 into 7. So it will give you back 7 by 8. So we have already solved second bracket, so this entire portion will vanish out and we only write the result. Now only close the third bracket. So now we will solve the third bracket, that is 5 by 4 minus 7 by 8. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. So once if you find the LCM, you can use the value for the next if you get the same denominators. Because same denominators will always have same LCM, so why to waste time by finding it? So 4 2s are 8, 2 5s are 10, minus 8 1s are 8, 1 7s are 7. So it is 3 by 8. So the answer of the third bracket after solving is 3 by 8. Now the last segment is left, 8 minus 3 by 8. So you know 8 is not a fraction, you can make it by putting 1 in the denominator. So what is the LCM of 1 and 8? 1 with any number, the LCM will be 8. Now 1 into how much gives you 8? 1 into 8. That 8 you will multiply with the numerator. So it is 64 minus 8 1s are 8. That 1 you multiply with 3 gives you 3. So it is 61 by 8. So the answer is 61 by 8, which is an improper fraction. Again you have to change this into mixed fraction. So 61 by 8 is the result. When you change it into mixed fraction, 8 7s are 56. Remainder 5. So the mixed fraction will be 7 5 by 8. So the answer of 14 is 7 5 by 8. So students, it's better if you have understood these sums, please practice that. Only practice those sums having the bar bracket from the exercise. Thank you.